Et tout le monde, c'est Brancos 1, 2, 3 autos pour une nouvelle vidéo. Accompagné de mon ami Jeff.
Salut.
On va faire des courses de fidget spinner. Moi, j'ai bleu et noir et lui, il y a
Vert, puis noir.
noir avec des B-rings gold. Ok. Starting. Ok, je vais commencer avec le bleu.
On va commencer avec la noire.
Ok. 1, 2, 3.
That was a bad start.
Ah non.
So like you barely see.
Yeah, no, mine's none. Mine's none.
He's done?
For sure.
Yeah, mine's done too.
Look here in the middle. You see? It's going backwards. No, don't stop, please.
Mine's done.
Oh, attendez. Ah, go, put it close to the camera. Qui a gagné le premier round? Évidemment, c'est le bleu.
Mine's still going.
Non, mine's stopping. Alors, évidemment, le bleu il est meilleur que lui. Alors, maintenant...
Because mine was like...
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
Maintenant, mon noir contre le vert. Alors, 1, 2, 3. What are you doing? 1, 2, 3.
Did I need more spins? That's the least spin. Dude, mine's so quiet.
Mine is so loud.
Mine is louder. It's like...
The black one's like...
Bro, and the gold. Yo, I just... Damn.
Regardez qu'est-ce que j'ai trouvé à terre. I can buy a third fidget spinner.
Watch in the comments below, they'll be like, that's mine, that's mine. Mine's
Oh,
done.
qui va
Mine's
gagner?
done.
Alors, qui va gagner le
done.
deuxième?
I fucking fingered purple.
Oh, hey! Alors, j'ai gagné.
Well, mine would have been fun.
Alors, pour cette partie-là, on va parler anglais. So, where we bought our fidget spinners, it's
Canadian Tire.
Canadian Tire. And, well, which Canadian Tire did you...
I don't know.
You can buy at, like, Canadian Tire or maybe...
Or maybe Macho Plus.
Or Tambourin.
Ou Toys R Us en jaune.
Yeah. But there's a Toys R Us that they're gonna have fidget spinners like 1st June, I think. So, oh look, double.
Yo, I tried to do that. They all flew, but I saved them with my feet. I went with that.
How come you got 2 fidget spinners in one day?
Well,
How many they were?
4. My sister has 2. She has orange and blue, and I have I chose the black before she said. I have black and green.
Okay.
Stop the video.
No. Likez la vidéo, puis abonnez-vous. Ciao.